If you're a professional window cleaner and want to achieve even more than you can with classic window cleaning, the UNGER Pure Water Starter Kit is the best place to start. Thanks to its specially designed, easy-to-use components, you can work more quickly and safely right from the start. Of course, with the same perfect cleaning results. Guaranteed. So let's get into it. The HydroPower Ultra S filter guarantees that you'll be cleaning with 100% pure water. It cleans glass surfaces without the use of chemicals, all in one go, without the hassle of washing and scrubbing. With the matching nLITE Carbon Composite telescopic water-fed pole, you can easily reach even the most difficult spots and heights. With a length of 6 meters, you know you can clean safely and have no need for any shaky ladders. Simply connect the pole and filter to the nLITE DuroFlex hose from the basic kit and work safely and smoothly, thanks to the hose's internal guide. Last but not least, the nLITE Power Brush. Its longer outer bristles ensure a pleasant glide, while stubborn dirt is loosened by the shorter inner bristles, resulting in extremely high cleaning power. Perfect for cleaning with pure water. And if you need to reach awkward corners, no problem. Simply adapt the modular angle adapter to your specific need. The angle is freely adjustable and quickly secured with clamps. The fast lock system also allows you to adjust the angle of the brush in 45-degree increments, so you can easily reach anywhere. With the UNGER Pure Water Cleaning System, window cleaning is easier. That's a promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today to find out more. Click here.